Okay, so we've been asked to add a user who's using the standard super user class. Set system login, user lab, class, super user, and we'll use authentication plain text. And we've been asked to add a user that's using a class very similar to operator, but with some features added and some features removed. And we know that we're going to have to create a new class for this user. So let's do the class first. Set system login class. We're going to call it op+, and in the permissions inside the square bracket we'll put in the 5 operator permissions, which are clear, network, reset, trace and view. We're going to add SNMP control and maintenance, and that's under permissions in the square bracket. Okay, where did we get the SNMP control and the maintenance? Well, there are various help functions that will let us find those features. So help topic system permissions. Okay, so now we need to remove a command according to our requirements, and that's start shell. And notice this really is a bit different. Set system login class op+, and then this is called deny commands start shell. So inside permissions you have a square bracket, then you have deny commands with this these inverted commas. Okay, so we can now add our user. Set system login user knock class op+, authorization plain text. So our last user is going to be adding into a class that's similar to super user, but with some major restrictions. It's not allowed to clear, configure or edit. Okay, so let's create the class. Set system login class, we'll call it SU-. Permissions all. So the permissions all are effectively the same as the square brackets. The keyword is permissions, and then the keyword is deny commands. And inverted commas, we've been asked to deny clear, configure and edit. Each one that we're denying goes in curved brackets, and we have the pipe between them. Let's add the user. Set system login user tac class SU-, authorization plain text. So we have the 4 predefined classes. We've added 3 users. 2 of them needed their own class, and we're using the permissions and the square bracket, and then the deny commands as the syntax to get that job done.